The ductility test is done to determine the elastic potential of your bitumen sample, because the more elastic your bitumen is, the less cracking it will produce. Briquette molds are shown on the right side of your screen, in which the bitumen sample is poured at 135 to 165 degrees and left at ambient temperature for 90 minutes before performing the test. The test is performed in the ductilometer, in which the briquette mold is placed and elongated at the rate of 5 centimeters per minute. If it breaks before the 100 centimeter mark, then your bitumen is not ductile, and it breaks after the 100 centimeter mark, then it passes the ductile criteria. Now, this test is done because when bitumen is placed in pavement, it will be subjected to loads of the tire of the vehicle, but at the same time the rolling action of the tire will produce some elastic stresses in the bitumen, because of which it may expand. Now, if the expansion is not up to a certain criteria, the expansion limit of the bitumen is not up to a certain criteria, then the bitumen will produce excessive cracking. So to determine this characteristic of your bitumen, we perform the ductility test. As I've already told you, that the test is performed by stretching the bitumen at 5 centimeters per minute when the bitumen is placed in a briquette mold and the testing temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. So once the bitumen is expanded and the break point of the bitumen is observed, if it does not break at a elongation length of more than 100 centimeters, then we say that your bitumen has passed. But if it breaks before the 100 centimeter mark, then it has failed the ductility criteria, and the limiting values of your ductility test are the same for all of the bitumen grades. As I already told you, that the bitumen grade is important to be determined, as the rest of the bitumen quality criteria are evaluated in comparison to the penetration criteria. Once the grade of the bitumen is decided, then the remaining quality criteria are determined, and in that way you can ascertain whether your bitumen is sufficient to be placed in the good enough in quality to be placed in the pavement or not. Now on to the equipment demonstration.